What's going on, team? It's Ricky. Let's go ahead and start breaking down this infamous penny stock HUNT. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. $5,447 on Tesla so far on the day. Again, this is including my swing trade that I was down on yesterday, now up on today, and I was able to day trade it within the day. Just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update, and I'll talk about that in just a little bit. But I want to talk about and cover HUNT. So what I'm going to cover in this video is, you guys know that I just like to make a lot of beginner traders and new traders aware of the potential danger with trading aggressive momentum stocks and pump and dumps. That's all this video is about. It's not that you can't make money. I've never said that you can't make money trading penny stocks. It's not that you can't make money trading pump and dumps. All I want to make very clear is that how risky these series of pump and dumps and stocks are, and how to identify them, and in a way that, like, you know, at least you're aware of what's going on, and then you can make the decision if you want to be a part of it or not. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that it earned your thumbs up. One of the first things that I want to talk about is, you know, the volume. You could see that the volume on average, so this is a 20-day 1-hour chart. The volume is pretty much non-existent. So all of a sudden yesterday, Monday, right, it begins to indicate signs of an uptrend. So this thing is normally trading, and you can see the prices right here. So this thing is normally trading for around like 930, 940 and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get my little trend line tracker here. Yesterday, it pushed up to highs of $20. That's 115% growth. Today, it pushed up to highs of 103.9, right? That's over 1,000% growth in 2 days. Today, based off of where it opened at and based off of where it closed at, it cleared over 416% within the day. Volume is a huge indication of when some stock is being either manipulated or there's some form of marketing that's driving the demand or overall awareness up. Some people might say that, again, it was probably some valid news. Again, I can almost guarantee you, looking at this on the 180-day chart, that this thing will most likely be our new, what? BPTH. People didn't believe it when they were trading BPTH. Again, all I tried to really do is just make people aware of kind of what's going on. When BPTH went from lows of, you know, $2, pushed up all the way to $73, right? Huge growth. And then guess what? Went from $73.50 all the way down to, you can't even see the percentage because there's such a big difference. So let's say it's at 70, right? Not even 73. I just want you guys to see the percentage. Losing 72% of your account from top to bottom. And I have something even better for you guys. So let's go back to HUNT. Did you guys check out the news? So I'm gonna pop up the news right here, right? So this is all the stuff that happened today. Pause, resume trading, pause, resume trading, pause, resume trading, pause, resume trading. Because it's being manipulated so quickly and it's moving so quickly, it gets paused and then it resumes trading. Something that always happens with pump and dumps, right? One thing that I wanna show you guys is on January 30th, guess what they got? They got a notice for getting delisted. So then all of a sudden, it starts going through these like kind of waves, right? These waves of manipulation. Not too sure if that's being something that's driven by the company. Again, I don't even want to get into that. You can even check with the RSI, with the MACD. There's just so many different ways that, like, you can simply take a step back. Forget about the 1 day, 1 minute chart. Great, if you want to day trade it and you see value in it, great, and you know how to manage your risk, great. That's on the 1 day, 1 minute chart. Take a step back and become aware of how it normally trades. No volume and no activity. It normally trades around $9. It's obviously something is happening that's driving the price up. What is it? If you cannot verify it and you see that there's so much demand and manipulation that's happening, that should be a huge red flag. With the volume, with the price difference, and then as in receiving it, sometimes it receives notice of getting delisted or going through a reverse stock split, and then that's when a lot of companies go through some form of marketing or manipulation to drive the price up and down. The reason that I want to make this so apparent is, think of yourself as a new trader. You see a stock that, you know, let's say in the very infamous platform StockTwits that a lot of pumpers use, right, for marketing. Everyone's talking about HUNT. Oh my God, HUNT, it's going to the moon. Well, you know, whatever, right? Continues to drive the price up, gets to a price point of, let's say, $61. And that's when you decide to pull the trigger. Like, oh my God, this thing's skyrocketing. I want to be a part of it. You get in at $61, it pushes up, guess what? Guess what? You were up 17%, it gets halted. You're a new trader. You don't know when to sell. All you understand is like that you're up on that position You don't know when to lock in profits. You just don't want to miss out on anything. So you have FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. It gets halted. You get scared. You think that it's going to continue to uptrend. And then guess what? It resumes trading and then drops. And then now you're down 40%. So then guess what you do? Holy crap, I just lost 50% of my account, or a little bit under 50%. I'm going to cut losses here and I never want to trade again. I'm going to curl on a ball, right? And all of a sudden it begins to push up, push up, push up, push up. So then you're like, oh crap, FOMO. I'm going to get back in again. $50. It pushes up, gets halted, begins to drive right back down. Oh my goodness, this just isn't for me. I just lost another 20%. I'm done trading. Pushes up, pushes up, pushes up, and then pushes up to 103. Wow, if I would have just held, I would have made all my money. It's this roller coaster of emotion. The way that I think about this is if I was holding a rope and being dragged by a truck and they let me walk, and then all of a sudden they gun it and then they end up dragging me. And then they let me walk and stand up again and then they gun it and again, they drag me through the truck, right? It's just this roller coaster of emotions. Something that like, as a new trader, if this specific type of stock, when they're pump and dumps, when they're manipulated stocks and overall momentum stocks, the reason that I just want to make you aware of the risk is because they move so quickly. This is the whole point of this video. Can you make money off of trading penny stocks? Yes. You can make money trading anything. Can you make money off of pump and dumps? Yes, you can make money off of anything. That's not the point. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Do you and are you at a point where you can make the proper decisions to get in and out of a stock that is moving at such a rapid pace effectively and quick enough where you don't end up being down 50%? As a new trader, this is something that you have to ask yourself. Just be honest. If you think that you are in that position where you can do it, you know, fine. Test it with paper trading. Practice makes perfect. But when people jump in and think that they're going to figure it out with momentum stocks and penny stocks right away, but overall, the price action is just moving too quick. The movement is and the volatility is just out of control, and it moves too quickly for a new or beginner trader to understand what to properly do and have peace in mind. So with that being said, I just find it so much easier for newer traders to practice a series of different styles of trading and to see which is the most effective for them and which one just makes the most sense to them, accommodating their overall kind of like, learning curve. That's the easiest way for me to put it. Again, I don't want to like diminish. I know there's a lot of people that can make money off of trading penny stocks, but can you do it consistently? And are you either getting lucky or do you actually understand what it is that you're doing and just simply walking away from with your profits when you know that, it's not something that's going to hold for a very long time? And again, let's follow up with HUNT. Set a reminder on your phone right now. Follow up with it in 2 weeks. I can almost guarantee you that it's going to look like BPTH, right? Where you look at it, the 180-day analysis, and you see how much it dropped. Easiest way for me to put it. It happens all the time. Doesn't mean, again, you can't partake in it. It's just a little question that I want you to ask yourself is, are you in a position where you can effectively take advantage of these opportunities? That's my question for you today. And again, I just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. So this is my overall P&L on the day. All I day traded today was Tesla. I'm still holding my 182 shares. As of right now, I have a total of 240. I'll probably sell the remaining amount before I close out the day. So again, overall on the day, $5,455. One thing that I do want to do and make sure that I invite you guys is to our live stream tomorrow. So I trade live with the Learn Plan Profit group every single day. Tomorrow, I host my free live stream. I do this once a month. So if you want to watch me, it's absolutely for free. Again, all you have to do is click the first link in the description to be able to watch me trade live. That's the easiest way to put it. So if you'd like to watch me trade live, if you'd like to see me buy and sell a series of different stocks and see what it's like, not just to see me make money, but on top of that, hear my thought process, ask me questions while I'm trading, and to break down stocks with you and see what the Learn Plan Profit group gets to experience every single day, I would encourage you to just take 5 minutes, click the first link in the description, and learn a little bit more about how you can watch me trade live tomorrow for free. And all you have to do is literally send me your name, send me your email, so I can send you the private link for our live stream. And that's tomorrow at Market Open, March 27th, Wednesday of 2019. I want to thank you guys again for your time. Hope I earned your thumbs up. I hope you guys are now aware of both the pros and the cons of penny stocks and at least how to identify them so you end up not getting caught on the wrong end of the stick. So really do appreciate you guys' time. Hopefully I earned your thumbs up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.